25 worked cold email subject line. Examples proven by AI. AnyBiz. Grabbing attention quickly is essential in cold emailing. A compelling subject line must instantly engage to stand out in a crowded inbox. Using action verbs or provocative questions can grab attention faster than generic greetings. Balancing intrigue with clarity in your messaging is crucial. Clever phrases may spark interest, but the subject line should clearly indicate the email's content. This sets the right expectations and maintains trust, encouraging recipients to read further. Several strategies can enhance email open rates. Personalizing the subject line with the recipient's name or details makes the email feel more relevant. List of 25 proven cold email subject line examples. 1. Quick question for recipient's name. Personalizing with the recipient's name boosts engagement, while a casual tone makes the email feel more like a conversation than a cold outreach. 2. Invitation to connect, your name position. Why it works. The subject line is clear and professional, making it effective for networking. 3. Exclusive offer for recipient's company industry. Why it works. Personalizing with the company or industry makes the email more relevant and increases open rates. 4. Unlock your 20% discount before it expires. Why it works. It creates urgency with a time-sensitive discount prompting immediate action. 5. Join us for event name on date. Why it works. It provides key details like the event name and date, making it easy to decide to open. 6. Exclusive invite. Event name for industry role. Why it works. Exclusivity and targeting boost relevance and prestige, increasing interest. 7. We value your feedback. Quick 3-minute survey. Why it works. Mentioning duration shows respect for time, and asking for feedback makes the recipient feel valued. 8. Help us improve. Share your thoughts. Why it works. A direct call to action makes the recipient feel their input is vital. 9. Recipient's name. Check out your customized plan. Why it works. Personalizing with the recipient's name and customized increases open rates. 10. Your exclusive access to our new features. Why it works. Exclusive ads appeal and new features sparks curiosity. 11. Exclusive offer for recipient's company industry. Why it works. Tailoring to the recipient's industry boosts relevance and engagement. 12. Unlock your 20% discount before it expires. Why it works. Creates urgency, prompting quick action. 13. Save big. Special pricing just for you. Why it works. Personalizes the offer, increasing engagement. 14. Limited time deal, product service at a special rate. Why it works. Limited time boosts urgency, and special rate adds exclusivity. 15. Get ready for huge savings this season event. Why it works. Ties promotions to a specific time, prompting immediate attention. 16. Join us for event name on date. Why it works. Clear details make it easy to decide quickly. 17. Exclusive invite, event name for industry role. Why it works. Positions the event as exclusive, increasing its value and relevance. 18. Don't miss out, event registration closing soon. Why it works. Adds urgency, prompting quicker decisions. 19. You're invited, unlock industry secrets at event name. Why it works. Promises insider info, appealing to industry insights. 20. RSVP now. Event with keynote from famous person industry leader. Why it works. Highlights an expert, adding prestige and interest. 21. Exploring partnership opportunities with your company. Why it works. Highlights mutual benefits, making the offer clear and appealing. 22. Inviting you to collaborate on project topic. Why it works. Provides context, clarifying the value of the networking opportunity. 23. Your name from your company, seeking your insight on topic. Why it works. Personalizes and respects expertise, creating a positive impression. 24. Connecting industry leaders, a conversation invitation. Why it works. Positions both as industry leaders, enhancing the connection's value. 25. Let's discuss innovations in industry. Why it works. Highlights a shared interest, increasing engagement. AI improves email marketing by personalizing and optimizing subject lines. Tools like Phrasee, Optimizely, and MailChimp help test and refine subject lines to boost open rates. AnyBiz uses AI to optimize cold email subject lines, automate multi-channel outreach, and personalize messages. It enhances lead generation and continuously learns from campaigns to improve effectiveness. Experience firsthand the benefits of AI in optimizing your outreach strategies by signing up for a free 7-day trial. Stay connected with us. Like and subscribe for all the latest updates straight to your feed.